Hello, thanks for joining. In this video, I want to show you how to set up a class notebook with Microsoft Teams. So for that purpose, I created a team and choose class notebook there. And then set up OneNote class notebook, and we choose a blank notebook. You can leave the settings here as they are, the default settings, because we're going to adjust them later when we manage the class notebook. Here I'd recommend to delete the quizzes and add a section warm-up. That's what I'm going to need later. Then we click Create, and we have to wait a bit until our class book is ready. So we can enter the class notebook here in Microsoft Teams. You can also use the browser, or what I prefer, the OneNote app. So let's switch to the OneNote app and choose the notebook. As we created a new one, we have to select it here, Class Notebook, Training Notebook, and open it. Now that it is opened, I immediately go to Class Notebook and click on the notebook here in order to modify the settings. I'd recommend to enable the teacher-only section. This is the place where later I'm going to put future homework or warm-ups. And I'd recommend to lock the collaboration space. I'm going to delete it later anyway, but okay. So let's go back to the OneNote app. Actually, you can also open it here in the browser if you want to. And of course, you can also use the browser, but it's much more comfortable to use the app. So let's go back to the OneNote app. As you can see, the notebook isn't synced yet. Therefore, the teacher section, teacher-only section, is still missing. But I just can show you how you can add quickly another section here. In the content library, usually I add always a section which is called syllabus. In the collaboration space, in the content library. Then I delete the collaboration space. Here we go, delete the whole group. Yep. And in the teacher-only section, I add one section, homework. And I have to drop it here. And delete this section and add another section, which is called warm-up. This will be useful later in order to distribute the homework to my students. Actually, here's only one student in this team, but it's a test team. It's a colleague of mine. Okay, so in the content library, you could add other sections like a calendar or the forward planning, or of course, things that you teach, like let's say statistics. statistics. That's it for today. Here we delete the welcome page as we do not need it. That's it. Today I showed you how to create a OneNote classbook for an existing team. Hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye.